Hello everyone. This place you are seeing here, this land is a very big land. I think it's about 10 hectares. This land is located in Chileka, Chikuli down there. This land is on market.
Malo
Is on
Ogulitsa.
market. We are selling this land. Uh, so if you are planning to
Malo ndiabwera.
invest in farming, whether animal farming or crops farming, this land is the best for you. This land, there is already 25 cattle on that land, so we are selling it together. If you are interested, you can buy both of them, or the cattle and the land. You can do a lot with this land. You can even raise chickens. You can use for animal grazing, cattle, sheep, goats. It's a very big land, very big. So this land is on market. So if you are interested, just contact me through my numbers. All my numbers is here. Twabale nde ya ngati muli ndi mapulani ofuna kuchita invest ku ulimi kapena pa nkusungirapo ndalama malo amene wandetu